So welcome back, guys. The in the review of the software called Profit on Demand. Okay, sorry, Print on Demand. Okay, so with this software, what you can do is you can uh, print a T-shirt. Okay, and sell it with the Facebook ads. Okay, with the help of Facebook ads, and you can get a lot of profit. Okay, and with this business, a lot of people are earning six figure and seven figures per month. Okay, so this business is a very profitable business. Okay, and with this software you can do in just 4 clicks. Okay, you just drag and drop print and the t-shirt is will ready. Okay, so if you haven't watched the part 1 video, then go and watch it, and after watching the part 1 video you can join this part 2 video. Okay, so 19,500 profitable t-shirt designs in 4 clicks. Okay, here is how this $5,000 software works. Okay, 130 beautiful designs with 150 proven niches. Okay, is equal to 19,500 t-shirt designs minus in 4 clicks. Okay, you can uh, create a 19,500 t-shirt designs in just 4 clicks. Okay, so if we take a look here, so you just uh, create a design. Okay, and just drag and uh, do a size. Okay, resize it as you wish. Okay, as you want, what is the requirement. Okay, resize it and sell it as your own. Okay, in just drag and drop system. Okay, check out what clients say. Okay, these are the testimonials. Okay, so are you ready to take your t-shirt business to the next level? Okay, then this software is very useful to you. Okay, software 1, the T searcher that lets you find proven t-shirt designs on eBay, Zazzle, Facebook and many others. Software 2, the idea maker that auto generates over 100 proven design ideas in any niche in under 60 seconds. Software 3 is the auto designer that automatically generates ready to upload PNG design images in seconds. Okay, the software 4 is the auto model tool that lets you automatically create a Facebook ad images that get dirt cheap clicks. Okay, buy it now and you will also receive this time limited profit boosting bonuses. What are the bonuses? Bonus number 1 is a quick start guidebook. Okay, how to start with the t-shirt business. The bonus 1 is the guide you. Bonus 2 is the step-by-step video course. Okay, so it's a video course how you do it and how you make a t-shirt. Bonus 3 is the latest 100 best selling t-shirt list. Okay, top 100 best selling t-shirt list. Okay, bonus 4 is the latest 100 best selling t-shirt template. What are the templates? Okay, then they give you 30-day money back guarantee. Okay, so if you try it for 30 days and if you don't like, so within 30 days of your purchase you can claim it and your money get back to your account. Okay, so this is it for the print on demand. Okay, print on demand suite, the software. Okay, in this you get 4 softwares. Okay, print on demand suite. Okay, with this you can make t-shirts. Okay, printable t-shirts, which is booming in right now in the business. Okay, so print on demand suite is you can surely do, because in this you just need to do a 4 clicks and research and other things are doing by the software. Okay, so if you want to purchase this, link given in the description, and as I mentioned before, if you purchase this from my link, then I'll give you a bonus, and in bonus the bonuses are related to affiliate marketing and email marketing. So with email marketing and affiliate marketing you can double this business. Okay, you can double the profit of the t-shirt business, because affiliate marketing and email marketing, through affiliate and email marketing you can generate a lot more profit per month basis. Okay, but you need to understand what is the affiliate marketing, email marketing, how it works. Okay, for that I'll give you some bonus. Okay, on that for free if you purchase this print on demand suite only with my link, which is given in the description. Then only I'll give you a bonus for free on my Instagram. So you just send me a screenshot on my Instagram of your purchase of this print on demand suite with only my link, which is given in the description. Then only I'll give you a bonus on my Instagram.